Linux Mint, one of the most popular Linux distributions in the world, could soon make a major change to how often it releases new versions. For years, Linux Mint has followed a predictable update rhythm, with new releases arriving roughly every 6 months. These versions are usually based on Ubuntu long term support editions, while a separate edition known as LMDE is built on Debian. But now, the Linux Mint development team is seriously considering slowing things down. In a recent blog post, the team explained that while frequent releases bring in lots of feedback and bug reports, they also consume massive amounts of time. Instead of focusing on building new features and improving the system, developers spend much of their energy testing, fixing, and preparing each release. In simple terms, releasing too often is holding back bigger improvements. Currently, Linux Mint follows the same general pattern as other fixed release Linux systems. For example, Fedora also ships new versions every 6 months, while Ubuntu and Debian offer major long term support releases every 2 years. However, Linux Mint has always focused more on stability and gradual refinement rather than cutting edge changes. If users want the absolute newest and experimental Linux features, distributions like Arch Linux already exist for that purpose. Because of this, Linux Mint may actually benefit from longer development cycles, giving developers more time to innovate and polish the experience. That said, there is a downside. Longer release cycles would also mean waiting longer for major usability improvements and system level bug fixes. It would also slow down the reversal of unpopular changes, something that currently happens faster with more frequent updates. The good news is that most everyday applications wouldn't be affected by this change. Programs like Firefox and LibreOffice are updated separately through package managers and Flatpak, so users would still get new app features regularly. As of now, there is no confirmed new release schedule. The Linux Mint team mentioned possibilities like every 8 months, once per year, or another longer cycle entirely. They even joked that they've already run out of code names for upcoming versions, another sign that change may be coming. Alongside this news, the team also shared some positive updates. December became the highest ever month for individual donations, with more than 1,000 people financially supporting the project. They also upgraded their web servers after heavy traffic, mostly from bots and AI crawlers, was constantly overwhelming their forums and websites. So while Linux Mint may release updates less often in the future, the project itself appears stronger than ever. If this shift happens, it could mark a new era focused on deeper improvements, better stability, and more ambitious development. What do you think? Should Linux Mint stick to frequent updates or move to longer, more polished release cycles? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux and tech news.